And following that, first week of November, pahinga po muna tayo. Magnilay-nilay. November 8 po ang balik natin. November 15, November 22nd, that will be the last elimination round. And as I mentioned, that will be the wildcard round as well. And of course, the fashion show will be on November 29th. And the grand finals will be on December 6th. Nakita niyo na po? Kanina, we just lighted up the whole Isita Sigurama complex. Maraming salamat to Isita and to Talents Manila as well. At palakpakan ulit natin ang mga judges natin. Miss Jen Gobi Binancio, Sir Jonathan Alegre, and Mr. Carlo Martin. Salamat of course to Sir Chester of DBM. Ayan, maraming salamat. At syempre sa mga vloggers natin, maraming salamat sa inyo. And last but not the least, to all the handlers and the managers of our house, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Year in and year out, week in and week out, nagdadala po tayo ng mga husay ng mga house natin. At sinusuportahan natin sila. May mga nagpukwento sa akin, even of course, kahit yung mga outfit ng mga house natin, talagang binibigay na ng mga handlers and managers natin para mas lalo pang umapok ang mga house natin. Speaking of our house, alright. Threads na pala ngayon, wala na yung Twitter or X, yan. Lately ko lang nalaman, i-promote na natin further. Alright, ang number 1, take it away.
Alden Castro, 25, Maynila. FB, IG, TikTok, Alden Darwin Castro.
Short but sweet, mga lalaki. Ano ulit? Alden Darwin Castro on both of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Yan. Sabi, padamihan pa natin ang followers ni Alden. Let's follow him on his social media pages. Thank you very much and congratulations. Ngayon pa lang, hunk number 1. Let's move on to hunk number 2.
Hey guys, ako po si Ariel Piana, 26 years old. Guys, aka Max Boys Ayi. Guys, inaanyayahan ko po kayo manood ngayong October 18, 8 p.m. sa Viva Cafe. Ako po ang isa sa mga Max Boys. Search nyo lang po sa IG, TikTok, and Facebook. Then, meron po kaming sa Family Feud, panoorin nyo po kami ngayong Sabado or Linggo ba yun? Yun po. Kami po ang Max Boys. Salamat po.
Alright, we have one of our Max Boys here. Of course, our Ariel. Ariel, ayan. Pasensya na si Kuya, medyo may edad na. At 10 years from your age, brother. Edad ko natin ngayon. He is part, of course, of Max Boys. And that's a Family Feud siya. Sabado o Linggo. But of course, may replays yan on YouTube as well. Supportahan natin. And he will be also be in Viva Cafe on October 18, 8 p.m. Supportahan natin si Ariel. Yan. Maraming salamat. Now let's move on to number 3.
Lucas Garcia, 22 from Kalupit, Bulacan. Follow my every page and TikTok. Lucas Garcia.
Yeah, alright brother, medyo kinakabahan pa si Lucas. Ayan. Let's follow him on his social media pages. That is Lucas Garcia. Alright, there we go. At yung malaking tulong talaga yan, alam ni ni brother yan. Yung currency talaga ngayon, it's followers talaga. So the more followers you get, the more brands, exposure of course, at syempre mas marami pang trabaho na bibigay sa atin. Let's move on to number 1 to 4!
Ronnie Palermo, 24, Pasig. Ronnie Palermo, follow FB, TikTok at saka Twitter.
Ronnie Palermo! Sabi, bagal lang mahina pa yung pagdinig. Ang tindigan nito, no? Iba ata nung nangyayari sa Ronnie Palermo. You just type in on his Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. May TikTok din tayo yan. Alam nyo, nakakatawa talaga. Gusto kong pasukin yung TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung paano nga ba. Hopefully you guys will also teach me somehow something kung paano man natin ma-infiltrate. Here we go. Number 5.
Joe Marino, 25,
2 years na. 2 years.
80, same lang ng Joe Marino, Lambuna.
Here we go. You can follow him, Joe Marino on his Facebook page. You guys want to know more about Joe Marino? Pretty much sure. May mga tips si Joe Marino sa Facebook niya kung paano ba mas maging hump tulad ng ating mga humps dito. Follow him guys, Joe Marino. Let's move on to hump number 6.
MJ Akuya po. Papalo po ulit po sa bago ko pong gawang FB kasi yung FB ko po na MJ na-restrict po.
Ayun, tuloy sa Pampanga mo, Shane Grand Leader sa Malaysia.
MJ Akuya po rin po.
Pinoy din yan.
Alright, sa sobrang dami ng followers ni MJ, nag-streak ng account niya. So yun na natin, i-follow natin ulit si MJ. Let's, of course, let's know what his updates at kung ano yung ginagawa ni MJ. That's MJ Hakuya on his Facebook page. Ayan. Now let's move on to hub number 7.
I'm Matthews Dino, Pandakan, Manila, 28 years old. May TikTok, Mr. Strand. Makikita nyo lang doon kung paano mag-workout.
Yan, gusto kayo pa-follow ko yan, si Mr. Strife. Diba? On his TikTok account. Para makita natin kung paano ba maging, ganyan yung mga katawan natin, di ba? Hindi maging ganito. By the way, habang marami pa kayo, kumakain ako ng French fries sa likod, para hindi magandang ehemplo para ma-achieve ang ganyang pagkatawan. So gusto natin guys, maging fit, maging hot tayo. Kahit Pasko, di ba? I-follow natin si Mr. Strife sa kanyang TikTok account. And last but not least, brother, take it away.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Luisiguino. I'm 28 years old from Muntalban, Rizal. Please follow my Facebook account, John Luisiguino. Thank you.
Alright, follow nyo kaya TikTok account, Jano Sigio. Maraming salamat to all our hunks. Palakpakan ulit natin! Ladies and gentlemen, all 8 of our hunks. And of course, to all our audience members, thank you so much for staying. Diba? I know it's kind of late because we have so many things that we want to celebrate today. And we are launching today as well. Once again, we had the wall lighting. Nakita natin kanina si Whitney. Diba? Nakita natin kanina si Mariah Carey. Napakilala sa atin si Lando Pong, di ba? And of course, meron tayo Miss Universe representative dito, si Miss Manal. Thank you so much. Guys, inusog pa na yung flight niya. 6 p.m. dapat. Pero, para supportahan naman Manila's Finest House, inusog na niya, grabe. Wala akong masabi. Ginawa na niya 1 a.m. yung flight. So, dire-diretso na yan. But kidding aside, thank you so much guys for supporting, of course, Manila's Finest House. This is, of course, our 4th elimination round. Next week, meron ulit tayo all the way to the month of October. Pahinga na first week of November. Then all the way to November. Last weekend will be our fashion show. The 3rd weekend will be our last elimination round. And of course, in helping the award, our winners, kinabahan si Sir Ross. Mapangal po natin, may special number raw si Sir Ross sa Grand Finals. Wow! That's a fashion show! Uy, gusto ko yan. Alright, Sir Jonathan, eto na sa aking kamay.
Hey! What?